में चलें?
English, I think I'll be more fluent, sir.
तो आप हमारे बैचेस से कैसे समझ रहे थे चीजें?
No, actually, when I was young, 3-4 years, तो बहुत TV देखता था.
हाँ.
So I learned Hindi on it while watching TV itself. So I used to talk very fluent Hindi when I was 4 years old.
When did you first see me?
I think it was in April or May of 2020. Not sure. I was looking for explanation for the mechanical properties of solids. So I came across your video because that time only COVID had started and I was at home. Before that, I used to go to college, so I really didn't have time to come and study on YouTube as well. So once I discovered that video, I liked it. Then I started following more videos. Then when I heard you're about to launch a batch, I joined that as well.
So in your drop year, you joined Lakshya batch, right?
No. Actually, I was in my 12th.
Okay.
So I joined Lakshya batch in 12th. And by the time you launched Yakin batch, I was more or less done with my syllabus. At least on a decent, around 80% I was done. So I joined Yakin as well. I'm a fresher actually.
So being fresher, you joined a droppers batch?
Yeah, because I wanted the physics. Because I was very weak in physics. So I had to learn first year again.
Oh, so 11th topic.
Yeah, so 11th physics was nothing. So I had to join Yakin batch for that. And I followed 12th as well.
Okay. This is a very different case with a fresher joining a droppers batch. And what happened? There is a definite reasons to believe, and of course, the paper also indicates that the physics were quite different this year compared to the previous years. So, how much are you scoring in physics, and how did you dealt with that in the examination hall?
So, physics, I'm scoring 170 out of 180 in physics.
Great.
Yes.
Then what about your time division for the 3 subjects?
So actually, whenever I listen to lectures, I listen 2 into speed.
Fine. Yeah.
So that cut down the time by half. Then, then I usually wouldn't solve questions throughout every day. When I had an exam the day before, I'd solve the PYQs. And errorless, whenever I can, I would solve. So errorless, actually, full 12th is done. 11th is not done much.
In which batch the physics was taught more deeper, Lakshya or Yakin? Since
deeper,
you subscribe to
Lakshya batch.
Lakshya batch. But more relevant for Yakin.
Yeah, more relevant, definitely Yakin. For NEET, especially Yakin. So once I'd solve, some weeks I'd not have time to solve other books. So I just listen to your lectures, solve the questions there, and I end up with 140, 150s that time.
Okay.
Yeah. So some rare weeks where I wouldn't have time to solve questions, extra questions.
In the mock test also, you were scoring 160 plus.
Yeah, right before constantly physics. Yeah, physics I used to score well.
And what about biology?
Biology was strong on. I used to study biology more in 11th standard. So 11th was actually very well done that time itself. And 12th I did along in June, July sometime. And I used to revise a lot of biology. That's how I could score full, 360 in biology.
360.
Yeah, 360. Biology was mostly NCERT based, so I didn't have to go outside too much.
There is a saying that you get selection in NEET by biology and you get rank in NEET by physics.
Yeah.
This year the statement is more truthful because of the paper setting. Chemistry was very easy and the physics was a bit different. I would actually not say difficult, but different. Pattern was very different. There was no balance between 11th and 12th. I don't know what they were thinking.
It was actually quite lengthy as well. There were some very tough calculations. Yeah.
Very lengthy. Physics paper was very lengthy, very unbalanced, too much calculations. I agree. Keshav, if we go back, how were you in studies in class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th? Let's get back from class 9th. Let's start from class 9th.
Class 9th, I don't remember studying much. I used to have a lot of fun at 9th and 10th in school. I don't remember studying much in school, but I'd come back home and study because it was easy, so I could study on my own. I didn't need lectures that time.
So you joined a coaching in class 9th only?
No. I was a part of Ryan International School.
Okay. Ryan International.
So I did 9th and 10th. Then 9th I got around 93, and 10th I got 97.6.
So what was this, CBSE or ICSE? 97.6. This is not CGPA.
ICSE. ICSE.
ICSE breed. That's why you're in class 10th. So getting 97.6 in ICSE is a achievement. I'll agree. If it's not CBSE, getting marks in ICSE is a bit tough. So you joined in offline coaching, where you started studying class 11. Then,
so what happened was the hours were very lengthy. So I'd go around 7:30 in the morning, and I'd come back home at 5:36. So it was lengthy, very lengthy. And some days we'd have to
coaching, right?
Yeah, school to coaching. Yeah. So the transition was hard as well, and the hours were very lengthy. And sometimes I'd have to stay back for study hours. So I'd come home at 8:39 in the night. So it was very lengthy, and it didn't work for me. The coaching method didn't work for me, honestly. June, July, you started Lakshya batch that time. June, I think.
Right. June. Correct.
Yeah, so
1st June.
That time, coincidentally, even they had started 12th again for us because we weren't weak because of COVID, everything. They did 12th again. So that time I could capitalize, and that time I improved my mark to around 600 that time. This was June, July time. So that happened. Then 12th was, I'd have my own timings. I'd just attend the online classes. I'd just log in and leave it. So
let's pause. Lakshya batch was a really slow batch, to be honest, because I was teaching for class 12. So we were going very slow. Weren't you frustrated that this is a very slow pace? How will I complete my syllabus? You wanted things to end as soon as possible.
Actually, physics I didn't know much, and I actually really liked listening to lectures at that point. I had started liking physics, so I didn't mind listening to lectures. So one full year I didn't like physics at all. So 12th I started liking it, so I didn't mind actually. I knew.
We missed the point where you decided that you have to become a doctor. We missed the point in this journey.
Okay, yeah, I think that we should go a little back to December of 2019. So actually, I had my grandmother with me, and I was very close to her. So December time, November ending, she got admitted to the hospital. So she passed away on December 2nd.
Okay, so sorry.
And she was telling me you should try and become a doctor and everything. Before that itself, you can do it. You are smart and all. She was tell. So December 2nd morning, she passed away. And December 1st night, she told me that I won't be here for a longer time, but I'll hopefully come in my next life and get treated by you. So you should become a doctor, she told. And the next morning, she passed away. So it was really shocking. I think that was the most pivotal point where I decided that I should do this. I should do NEET and become. I think that was the most important point in the journey where I decided that I can do this.
This is so emotional and so inspirational at the same time.
Yeah, it was really hard that time. For 2 weeks, I couldn't do anything that time. So, yeah.
Why did you subscribe to Accelerate batch? One very important question.
Oh, yeah. So, actually, I had no idea for Max, as I told you. I didn't know anything in Max.
Okay.
So, that time, 12th board exams were supposed to happen. So, I had to get at least some 75%. So, I told my mom I'll join this as well. She told, okay, no problem. So I joined that batch. I actually did 2-3 chapters of Max. Then I gave up because I didn't have time.
Right, you don't have time.
Yeah, so then anyway, they cancelled board exam. So I was very happy that day also.
You have made quite a lot investment on PW in a single year. That we were launching around NEET.
Yeah, I used to take all of them. I was so happy when I saw. I used to wish when I see this nowadays Yakin 2.0 that we had these batches that day. But anyway, this Yakin 1.0 was very good as
well. Now the scenes are different. Now students are having 3 options in a single batch for physics, for chemistry, as well as 3. I think Yakin 2.0, 2, Yakin 1.0, 3 options in physics. In chemistry as well, in biology as well. 3 options students have. Different time stamps they have. If they are having a backlog, they can follow 2.0. If they are completing. So now the things are different. We are much more planned.
Exactly.
But yeah,
Yeah, so when I see this, I feel really happy, and some part of me feels bad also, because if this would have been 2 years back, I would have joined PW itself that time only.
No, no, you will join PW later on after becoming a doctor, and
Of
after
course,
going
I'll,
into you will definitely help the upcoming generation by becoming a mentor of PW.
of
You will
course, I
guide
can
them.
definitely love that. Yeah,
That is working for you. It may work for 100 more students.